With my rubber boots, I put in an extra pair of socks, and one stayed behind in the boot, I guess. Well, my groundskeeper, Joel, he said, there's going to be a lot of rain tomorrow and about 2 inches of snow, maybe early on Sunday morning or something, or late on Saturday night. I like Joel's forecast. They're better than the ones on the radio or television.
Well, they were all over the place. They were screaming could be as much as 13 inches, trying to get everybody out to the grocery stores.
Hi, Frank.
Looks pretty high tech.
It is. Without a doubt, this is the Cadillac of the industry.
I don't have a Cadillac, but I have a Rolls Royce and a Bentley.
I didn't know you had a Rolls.